Welcome to Smack's Garage. Today we're going to be going through our 3-ton Daytona Jack from Harbor Freight, and then we're going to take a look at the features of it and try it on a low, newer Mustang and an older classic Mustang. Alright, let's go ahead and take it out of the box. This box was built extremely well. I'd say it was harder to cut up the box than it was to actually put the jack together. Our jack handle. Put this together pretty simply. Try to lift it up. So here's the jack out of the box. So it weighs about 100 pounds, so it's really heavy to move yourself. Now that it's on the ground, much easier to move around. So the way it's set up or comes set up, we have the jack pad here with a rubber insert. Jack handle is separate and it's padded. So the nice thing about the padded jack handle is you shouldn't damage your car. You know, looking at it, already comes pre-lubed. So it looks like they've lubricated a few different areas. You can see some grease here. And you can see the grease fitting in there that's obviously been lubed. The main pivot here with the grease fitting. Looks like it's all set. Alright, now that this is all set up and we're on the floor, you need to remove the spring clip. So you push down here and you move the pieces down and it should lift up. Alright. So the mechanism's in place where this should just pull in and out. It's well lubricated, as you can see. This should just pull in and out when you want to put the jack handle in. So I'm going to go ahead and get that jack handle in. Alright. Sounds like it went into place well. So one of the reasons why I like this jack from Harbor Freight is it really works well on these cars that are low. You know, I've had typical Craftsman jacks in the past and I wasn't able to get it under. So for this to be able to just easily slide under without contacting the body is huge. So really happy with that on the newer car. I mean, on the older car, it's the same thing. The car sits up a little bit higher, so I'm easily able to jack it. You know, on the older cars, I don't jack up by the pinch points. You know, I go all the way under to the unibody rail. To protect it, I'll still use one of these pucks just to sit it here, because I don't want it to hit the metal pads first. I should be able to just jack it right up. Alright, it seems to work. Has no issues jacking it up. Yeah, I'll probably end up using a 2x4 or something for here for now until I get the right pads. But no issues lifting. And lowering can come nice and slowly down. Perfect. And all the way down. You know, one of the features that I do love on these is the jack handle. The foam here, as simple as it is, it's really nice to not hit your car, and you know, it really gives you some peace of mind. I've hit the back of my car so many times when I've been kind of jacking it up that it's nice to have this here. It's kind of a little detail that makes a big difference. You know, the only thing I would really change with the jack is this pad right here. I really don't like the way that these metal pieces sit proud. So what I'm going to end up doing is finding a way to either replace this rubber here or to just get something that can sit on top of it to be able to not contact the car. So if this was up another 1/4 inch, you know, It'd be a lot better for at least my use. That's the only real detail on it that I didn't like, but overall, really happy with it. The Jack itself does pull nice and easily, and with pushes just as easy. It's nice and quiet too. Thanks for tuning into Smacky's Garage today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content, and as we work on our 69 Mustang and 2013 Shelby.